says you can't have it all. Our lavishly quilted faux leather seat cushions provide ultimate comfort and common sense practicality. These luxurious covers with quilted design are made of the highest grade faux leather. The flip side features a sturdy and spacious organizer with mesh slip pockets and handy pocket holders to help keep you organized and to keep personal items within an arm's reach. The design makes it super simple to install. Just slip the cover over the headrest and around the bucket seat. Snap all 3 buckle clips in place to secure the cover around the seat. Now under the headrest, fasten the flap together using the hook and loop adhesive side. Then feed the straps of the seat bottom into the crevice. From the back side, pull the straps out and stretch them under the seat to the front. Then connect them together with the buckle clips and adjust the strap to tighten. The cushions offer a sideless design to allow for airbag deployment and built-in seatbelt capability. Ride in comfort and stay organized on the road with our multifunctional quilted faux leather seat cushions.